Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you're probably wondering, Marlene, where have you been? Where has your reaction video been? Yes, as you can see from the title of this video, this is the reaction to Airplane Parte Dos. And also you might be wondering, Marlene, why are you wearing a zebra hunt onesie? Because I can. Yes. I also put on purple contacts. You can't really tell, but yes, I have purple contacts on. I have not reacted to the video. Why am I reacting to it now? I have an explanation. I do. So, in the beginning of November, my aunt always wants to prepare for Christmas. When I mean Christmas, I mean Christmas decorating. She decided on the week that the music video came out that she will want to go into the little garage that we have in the back, the crawl space that we have, to just go through Christmas stuff. I did not know that that was going to take 3 days to do. During that time, I decided, you know what, let me clean, my room, go through my winter stuff. It's not like I'm going out anyway, but you never know. I did not realize that I was going to end up throwing out like 6-7 bags of just crap that I don't wear. And stuff that I've kept that I say to myself, why did I keep this? I feel so much better. My aunt was like, oh, despojaste el cuarto. And if you guys wondering what that means, basically is like, you get rid of the bad vibes in the room and stuff like that. So that's basically what I did. I got rid of all the bad vibes from my room. So yeah, I have not seen the video at all. It's been a week later and I have not seen the video. Yes, I know, I'm horrible. Marlene, what kind of fan are you? So without further ado, let's get into the video. I have it here ready on my phone to watch. Woo! So yes, I'm gonna be watching it on my phone. Are we gonna get into this? We're gonna get into this. Okay. So, BTS Airplane Parte Dos, Japanese version. Let's get it. How did I not know that it was gonna be in a bar? I mean, I saw kind of clips of it, but I always said, if they ever do Airplane music video, I said to myself, I never said it to anybody else, this music video needs to be in a bar. Like, the setting needs to be a bar. Why, you may ask? I have no clue. But yes, I always pictured the music video to be in a bar. I was hoping that there would be more people, but yeah, no. But anyways, okay, back to the video. My God, Jungkook looks so good. Jimin looks so good. V looks so good. I love the clothes. I love the clothes. Jin and RM looks so good. That is so cool. Yo, do they got Patron in there? I'm just saying. The outfits. I love them. I want their jewelry. I want Jimin's shirt. Yes. I want that hat that Suga has. Don't look at me like that. Just don't look at me like that. There goes J-Hope. I just love the whole aesthetic of the video. I love the way V dresses. Oh my god. I want to dress like that. No. Hold up. Hold up. Hold on. Wait a minute. I was not prepared for that. It's BTS in the rain. Wet BTS? Okay, back to the video. Oh my god. Lord, help me. Oh my god. What did I just witness right now? I did not see this! I waited a whole week to watch this. Wow. Oh my god. I cannot believe that I didn't watch this when it came out, number one. Number two, I was not prepared for Jungkook to be all wet. Like, what? All over the place. You see what you do to me, BTS? You got me all discombobulated. I can't think straight right now. First of all, my dream came true because the music video background theme was in a bar. And I don't know if you guys ever, I mean, I'm assuming, because if you guys never watched Justin Timberlake's Señorita, what? Like, we cannot be friends. Feel that. Even Chimmy couldn't handle it. Señorita, I feel for you, feel for you. You deal with things that you don't have to. Okay, so it would have been cool if there was more people in the bar, but I guess, I don't know. I don't think they can have females in their videos. They can't even be near females. Like, what? Okay. So yeah, it would have been cool. It would have been cool if they had like more people in the video, like just in the background. That would have been cool. OMG! I love the clothing and everything just went well together. Yeah, I don't know. I can't think. All I have is Jungkook's freaking like dancing in the rain in my brain right now. I can't fully function. I love the music video. I cannot believe that I can't talk. Yeah, and I'm just really upset with it. Oh my god, I'm gonna be watching it all day today. Thank you guys for watching my video and dealing with me and like supporting me. I love you guys, to my little crew of subscribers. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more random videos. I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, love you. Bye.